April 15th here, and we're about to pull the cover off of our display pools here. So we get some questions about people that are reluctant with mesh covers. These two pools here have mesh covers as recommended with the PoolTree system, and we haven't touched these pools. We closed them in September. This is what they look like. We haven't pumped them or scooped them off. Some people have the conception that the pool is going to be really dirty or hard to clean up with a mesh cover, but with the PoolTree system that's not the case, because as you can see, the leaves don't sit there. They don't have time to decompose and leach into the pool. The sun dries the cover, the wind blows it, as you can see here, and the leaves just blow away. So the water might be a little dirtier. It's not going to be crystal clear like it might be with a solid cover, but you can see that solid cover pool over there is full of leaves and water. So usually, even if the water starts out clear, stuff dumps in and you take the cover off. So that pool is going to need quite a bit of scooping and pumping before it's ready. This pool, these have been here. They look like this all winter, and we're just going to pull the cover off. And typically you can put a couple gallons of shock in it, start to filter up, and it's going to be ready to go. So let's see what it looks like. Mesh cover all season since September. We haven't done anything to this pool. We put winterizer and shock in it when we closed it in the fall. The PoolTree system did its job, and it's ready to start up. We can fill it up, start the filter, and that took a minute. This one, on the other hand, this is a solid cover, no PoolTree system. This is going to take a while, obviously. We've been pumping this one. It's not full of water. There's still more work than this. So PoolTree, nice clean water because the leaves don't sit on top of the cover. This one, also mesh cover. It'll take another minute to open this one. They'll both be on their way.